William Shakespeare, a comprehensive biography. Early life. William Shakespeare was born on April 23, 1564, in Stratford-upon-Avon, England. He was the third of 8 children born to John Shakespeare, a successful glovemaker and alderman, and Mary Arden, the daughter of an affluent landowning farmer. Though specific details about his childhood are sparse, it is believed that Shakespeare attended the King's New School in Stratford, where he would have received a robust education in grammar, rhetoric, and classical literature. Marriage and family. At 18, Shakespeare married Anne Hathaway, who was 8 years his senior. Their marriage on November 28, 1582, was conducted hastily, likely due to Anne's pregnancy. 6 months later, their first child, Susanna, was born, followed by twins Hamnet and Judith in 1585. Hamnet, Shakespeare's only son, tragically died at the age of 11, a loss that some speculate deeply influenced Shakespeare's later works. The Lost Years. The period between 1585 and 1592 is often referred to as Shakespeare's lost years due to the lack of concrete records. Various theories suggest that he might have worked as a schoolteacher, studied law, traveled across Europe, or joined a theater troupe. Regardless of the specifics, by 1592, Shakespeare had made a name for himself in the London theater scene. Career in London. By the early 1590s, Shakespeare was a prominent actor and playwright in London. He began his career with the Lord Chamberlain's Men, a company of actors. The company became the King's Men in 1603 when James I ascended to the throne and became their patron. During his time with these companies, Shakespeare wrote many of his most famous plays. His early works include histories like Henry VI and comedies such as A Midsummer Night's Dream. Shakespeare's talent for capturing the human experience in all its complexity and variety set him apart from his contemporaries. His ability to blend poetic language with dramatic action, as well as his deep understanding of human nature, garnered him considerable acclaim. Major works. Shakespeare's body of work is typically divided into 4 periods: the early, middle, late, and final phases. 1. Early period, 1590 to 1594. Henry VI, Parts 1, 2, and 3. Richard III. The Comedy of Errors. Titus Andronicus. 2. Middle period, 1595 to 1600. Romeo and Juliet. A Midsummer Night's Dream. The Merchant of Venice. Henry IV, Parts 1 and 2. Julius Caesar. 3. Late period, 1601 to 1608. Hamlet. Othello. King Lear. Macbeth. Antony and Cleopatra. 4. Final period, 1609 to 1613. The Winter's Tale. The Tempest. Henry VIII. These works explore a wide range of themes, from the nature of love and power to the complexities of human identity and the inevitability of fate. Hamlet, often regarded as Shakespeare's masterpiece, delves into the intricacies of revenge, madness, and mortality, while Macbeth is a profound exploration of ambition and its destructive consequences. Poetry. In addition to his plays, Shakespeare was a prolific poet. His sonnets, a collection of 154 poems, were published in 1609. The sonnets are a rich exploration of themes such as love, beauty, politics, and mortality. Some of the most famous sonnets include Sonnet 18, Shall I Compare Thee to a Summer's Day, and Sonnet 130, My mistress' eyes are nothing like the sun. Style and influence. Shakespeare's influence on the English language and literature is immeasurable. He expanded the expressive capacity of the English language, coining hundreds of words and phrases that are still in use today. His works have been translated into every major language and are performed more often than those of any other playwright. His ability to capture the essence of the human condition in his characters and plots has ensured that his works remain relevant across centuries. Shakespeare's exploration of themes such as ambition, jealousy, love, and betrayal continues to resonate with audiences worldwide. Later years and death. Around 1613, Shakespeare returned to Stratford-upon-Avon, where he lived until his death. He continued to write, though his output slowed. His final works, including collaborations with other playwrights, indicate a period of relative contentment and creative fulfillment. William Shakespeare died on April 23, 1616, at the age of 52. He was buried in the Holy Trinity Church in Stratford. His epitaph, purportedly written by Shakespeare himself, includes a curse against moving his bones, which has helped to ensure that his grave remains undisturbed. Legacy. Shakespeare's legacy is unparalleled. His works have been continuously performed, studied, and revered for over 4 centuries. His influence extends beyond literature and theater into the broader realms of culture, philosophy, and psychology. The Shakespeare Birthplace Trust in Stratford-upon-Avon preserves his home and several other sites associated with his life. The Globe Theatre in London, a reconstruction of the original theatre where many of his plays were performed, stands as a testament to his enduring impact on theatre and performance. Shakespeare's works have inspired countless adaptations in every conceivable medium, from film and television to opera and ballet. His characters, such as Hamlet, Macbeth, Othello, and Juliet, have become archetypes that continue to be explored and reinterpreted by artists and scholars alike. The continued relevance of Shakespeare's work is a testament to his unparalleled ability to capture the breadth and depth of the human experience. His plays and poetry continue to be a source of inspiration, reflection, and enjoyment for people around the world. William Shakespeare's genius lies in his masterful use of language and his profound understanding of the human spirit, making him a timeless and universal figure in the world of literature.